Hello students, good morning everyone. This is Sir Sankar. Today we will see a new lesson from Unit 1, Wonderful Waste. In the first class we have seen that first lesson, that is from the same unit, Unit 1, Ice Cream Man. So answer questions are left. I will provide you together. When I will provide the notes, answer questions of Wonderful Waste, I will provide you uh, answer questions of uh, the Ice Cream Man also. So let's begin with the Wonderful Waste. A short story. So once there was a Maharaja of Travancore. He decided to have a feast, no, in his palace. So he ordered a grand dinner in the palace. So in the afternoon, before the dinner, before the dinner in the afternoon, he went into the kitchen to survey, to see, to check the dishes that had been prepared for the feast, that are going to prepare for the feast. What are the dishes were there, how the cooks they were cooking the dishes. So all these things, the for all these things, Maharaja wanted to check, to survey these dishes. He went into the kitchen and he had seen what the vegetable scraps. He showed the vegetable scraps which were there in the basket near the cook. Now he asks, what would you do with those vegetable scraps which were there near you, no, in the basket? So the cook replied, that they are waste, Maharaja. They are waste. So we would, what? We will throw them. We would throw them. The cook, he replied very strictly. Maharaja, he said that no, you cannot waste all these things. You must find another way to use them. You you cannot throw those vegetable scraps. So you must find a way to use them. Now there, you cannot waste all this. So cook was in a fix and kept staring at the vegetable scraps for some time. And he was thinking, no, what should I do? How I make another way? How uh, I can use this again? He was thinking by looking at the vegetable scraps. Now suddenly what happened? An idea flashed across his mind. Flashed across his mind means what? Came to his mind. Suddenly an idea it came. What idea? He took all the vegetable scraps. Then he washed them properly, then cleaned them well. Then afterward, what he did, he cut them into a long strips. Long means very, like this long, he make it. And he put them in a huge pot and placed it on the fire to cook. What he did, he cut them all in a long strip, and he put them, afterwards he put them in a very huge pot and placed that pot on a fire so that he can cook it. Then next what he did, he ground some fresh coconut. He ground some fresh coconut means new coconut. Okay, he grind that. Okay, ground means grinding, pisna. He ground some fresh coconut, uh, and again he grind some green chilies also, and again he grind some garlics together, and he make a paste. So this paste he added to the cooking vegetable, which was the vegetables he is cooking, no, in a huge pot. So he added this paste there to the cooking vegetable, and he ate some salt also. Now a tempting smell started coming from the pot. After cooking for some time, a very sweet smell coming from that pot. Afterwards he put some curd also and added to the curry. He put some curd there in the curry, and Afterwards he poured few spoonful of coconut oil. He put again coconut oil there, and this dish he decorated with what curry leaves. He decorated the dish with curry leaves. Lo and behold means surprise, no? Look, surprise, like say we say. Lo, the new dish was ready. New dish was what? Ready. The cook served this new dish. The cook served this new dish to the guests that evening. That new dish that the cook had made, he had served this to the guests that evening. Everyone was eager. Everyone wanted to know the name of the new dish, and the cook again, he was thinking what the name should give. Then he thought, and he said, he named it Evil. Evil. And Evil, my dear student, became famous all over Kerala. It became what? Very famous all over Kerala, and is now one of the dish in traditional Kerala feast. It became a traditional feast of Kerala, and imagine, it all came from a basket of just waste. It all came from a what? Waste. Before the cook, he was thinking, no, he made his mind that he should throw it. But now, after um, giving order by the king to the cook, he was in a fix. Now what should he could not escape from there, because it was the order given by the king, so he cannot throw them. So he cooked in a huge pot, and this became the traditional feast of Kerala now. It What is the name of this dish? Evil. And it just happened, how it came from a basket of waste. So we think that it's a waste. Sometimes we think, many times we think, right, we cannot use it again, so we will throw it. But we can use by finding another way. So we should not waste simply until and unless we find another way to use that. Okay, so don't waste, simply think it before wasting, before throwing. Think how do we use it again, how to, or where we can use. If in one place we cannot use, you just find another place, maybe in that place we can use. So we just see. Okay, like we can say you about your copy, last year copy. You are not using it because you think that it's an old, but you can make a rough copy, and you can practice your maths there. Am I right? So in this way we can use, we should not throw it simply. So these are what um, this is what our lesson is completed. Now you write these new words, okay, in a fix, flash across the mind. I hope you have seen these new words. In a fix, this in a fix, flash across the mind, lo and behold, traditional fish. All these four words you write in your copy. Okay, and tomorrow, or sorry, in the next class, I will provide you the answer questions of these two lesson, the ice cream man and the wonderful waste. What were the preparation in the palace for? Why did the Maharaja go into the kitchen in the afternoon? What had the cook planned to do with the vegetable scraps? So all these questions answers I will provide you in the next class. Today I stop you. Take care, read the lesson properly, and be safe at home. Okay, stay safe. Thank you very much.